Okay, I will check my queenless hive if there is some progress from last week. If there is still no queen laying, I'm gonna add some frame from my another hives. Check their supper first. This seems to be full with nectar, but not caped yet. Same on the other side. This one is kind of empty. Let's just start filling. It's only 3 frames build up. They seem to be very calm. There is a hope they have a finally laying queen. So last week they've been kind of unhappy. So let's open the hive and we'll see what's going on. The first frame. And there are no eggs in this one and hardly any stores. No eggs in this one. Alright. I'll keep this frame out. I'll check others. So no eggs on this one. It's a lot of pollen on this one, but no eggs. No eggs in here. No eggs in this one. There is a queen. There it's actually very nice, lovely queen. If you can see, it's a virgin queen. It's beautiful. There it's a queen. It looks like the one egg was hanging from her bum. So maybe she's just about to start laying. Maybe check it carefully. I actually see some eggs. Oh yeah, there is some eggs. So I think this beautiful queen just starts laying now. It takes I think 3 weeks. It takes 3 weeks. But that's really good news. So they are eggs. Because these bees are super calm. I didn't have them calm like this last week. So happy with this hive now. She is a beauty. She's trying to hide. Oh yeah, happy with this one. I'm gonna check another frames because I see some eggs here. I'll check another frames if she put some eggs there already. And I'll close this hive to disturb her. It's a good news. Very good news. Don't see much eggs here yet. Not eggs here. Not the eggs here. And not any here. Nothing here yet. Nothing here yet. This beehive doesn't look like they have much of food. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give them frame of full of honey. I'm gonna check it to the end. How does it look like? Oh, here we go. Maybe some. some food. Some grapefruit, it's really not much, it's a little bit of nectar. A little bit of food, but not much. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give them one frame. I'm like happy with this queen now. Finally started to lay eggs. Light, I'm gonna exchange it with some a little bit more straws. This frame is full of honey, so I'm gonna give them a little bit of food. To boost. Okay. Well, we'll close this hive and check how the new queen is going on in a week. We'll let you know.